welcome back to another cooking episode with me, Angel. And today we're gonna make the Orisa Sundae. You know, we have Orisa right here, already ready to go. So let's just stop with the chit chat and get into the ingredients. Alright, so fortunately George couldn't join us today because he was feeling a little sick, but I'm pretty sure we can manage without him. So the ingredients for today are 1 pint of chocolate ice cream, some bananas, and some kiwis. What the fuck was that? Someone at my door? What the fuck? Let's go check it out really quick. Is that Tobi? What the fuck? What's he doing here?
I don't know.
Should I let him in?
Well, I mean, George is not here, so what's he doing?
Fuck it, let's see. What the fuck are you doing here?
Are you guys making a sundae?
Yeah.
You guys need help?
Yeah. I mean, our friend
George
is not here.
George isn't here, so you know, fuck it. Let's let him in. Get in. Shit. Alright, so sorry for that interruption, but let's just get back to the ingredients. So we got the dark chocolate, got the caramel, and then for the cherries we had to improvise. Also with the cookies. What the fuck? Hey! What the fuck?
He stole our cookies.
Alright, so let's just get this thing started. So at first it says, step 1, begin by filling your serving dish with 2 or 3 scoops of chocolate ice cream. So Tobi, can you bring me the spoon and ice cream? Fuck is, wait, hold on. Is that Pablito? I actually need this actually, but fuck is he, what are you doing with him? Fucking piece of shit. I didn't ask for his help. Step 2? Alright, so the first step, we gotta put the ice cream. So Tobi, grab it while I put some ice cream. Wait, hold on. Is that a Tachi's ring? So now it says you gotta place 2 the pieces of the bananas on opposite sides. And then we'll put the rest of the ice cream for the head afterwards. Alright, so now we have the cookie, and then we have 2 sliced kiwis, and we're gonna put this in the back of the head. Can you shut the fuck up? Sorry about that. Alright, so then we have to put this like right here. It's gonna slip off. God damn, this is hard. Okay, so then you do that, right? And then now we gotta put the cookie around here. Okay, that seems about right. Look at this motherfucker. Look at this guy. Hey, can you fuck off with my fucking monkey? Holy shit, dude.
He's gonna kill that thing.
Honestly. Alright, so since you didn't do shit, you fuck, I want you to put the ice. I did everything else, so just put the fucking ice. I want to see how you fuck it up. I'll hold the ice cream. Go. Holy shit. Oh shit. God damn, dude. Alright, well that's like almost done. Now we're just missing the final thing. This shit keeps fucking slipping. Alright, so the only thing we're missing now is to put the caramel. And then since we didn't have a fucking cherry, we're gonna use a grape. Because it's the same goddamn color. Alright, go for it, you fucking Tobi shit. Alright, that's good. Alright, now I'm gonna put the fucking grape cherry. And we're done. Look at that shit, dude.
Look at that.
Doesn't that look like the fucking book?
Close enough.
Well, I wonder what Orisa thinks. What do you think of that shit? Dude, that shit looks fucking stupid. Look, it's melting, dude. The last thing is for you to try out the ice cream. Alright, so just try that shit out, dude. Hey! What the fuck? You fucking asshole. I'll deal with him later. Whatever, just eat that shit. Look, it's mounting. You're taking forever. Here. Here. Grab this shit. This guy's fucking stupid, I swear. Alright, you better finish this shit, dude. Your shit's fucking melting. I worked hard on it, so you better fucking finish it, alright? You fuck? Here. Fucking disgrace, bitch.
Hello? Can I have a large pepperoni pizza? Yeah, that'll be it. And also, can you deliver it over here to the address? Okay. Bye.
Alright, so we just finished the Orisa Sundae. It took about like 5-10 minutes. It wasn't hard to make, but you know, I had fun doing it. I mean, it probably wouldn't take that long if I didn't have a fucking idiot to help me. You fuck. But yeah. Who the fuck is that now? Did you fucking order this? Can you move this out of the way? Yeah. Fucking piece of shit. Fuck you. What the fuck?